Assalamualaikum, it's me, Dato Liminat Alhaz, and for today's video ay magta-travel tayo sa Engelberg. Ang nakikita natin sa video na napakagandang lugar ay ito na yung tinatawag nilang The Village of Engelberg.
Yeah, of course it's paid.
Engelberg is a typical Swiss alpine village. It is simply the ultimate place for unique mountain experiences. This is the largest winter and summer destination in central Switzerland. The well-known Mount Titlis is located in this beautiful village. Mount Titlis is the largest winter and summer holiday in central Switzerland. Nandito tayo sa area na kung saan tayo ay nag-book ng ating hotel accommodation. So ito po ang illuminations ng Engelberg. Napakaganda. Please enjoy the beautiful illuminations of Engelberg. This is Engelberg in the night. Napakaganda. So dito ay mayroon din silang mga restaurant, coffee shop na pwede kang kumain at mag-coffee.
No, but like you think about it, the avalanche, you're dead. I know, but like an avalanche.
Good morning, Engelberg. At kagigising lang natin. What a beautiful view. Ito ang view dito sa balcony ng aking room accommodation. Napakaganda. How I wish na na-enjoy ninyo itong munting vlog, itong napakagandang Village of Engelberg. Again and again and again, this is Dato Liminat Alhaz na nagsasabing maraming salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muling pag-travel, see you on my next travel, inshallah. Bye-bye!